Welcome to Simple, Slow English. Today, we will learn step by step. Just relax and follow my voice. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I practice. I practice writing. I practice writing every day. I practice writing every day in the evening. Sentence 2. He studies. He studies quietly. He studies quietly at home. He studies quietly at home in the afternoon. Sentence 3. I start. I start my day. I start my day with. I start my day with a coffee. I start my day with a coffee every morning. Sentence 4. She gets. She gets ready. She gets ready for class. She gets ready for class early. She gets ready for class early in the morning. Sentence 5. I check. I check my phone. I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning every day. Sentence 6. He plans. He plans his weekend. He plans his weekend when he's free. Sentence 7. There is. There is a desk. There is a desk in my room. There is a desk in my room near the window. Sentence 8. There is. There is a lamp. There is a lamp in her room. There is a lamp in her room near the bed. Sentence 9. I have. I have a family. I have a big family. I have a big family of 8 people. Sentence 10. He has. He has a family. He has a small family. He has a small family of 3 people. You built one sentence. You can listen again. I am here with you.